Did you know that the United States is home to some truly strange and unusual vegetables? Many of these vegetables grow wildly in different parts of the country, yet few people know about them. One such vegetable is the Ostergrun, a peculiar green root that resembles a small, twisted, gnarled stick. It is mostly found in the Pacific Northwest, where the climate favors its unique growth pattern. Despite its odd appearance, Ostergrun is prized for its crunchy texture and earthy flavor. Another strange vegetable is the Purple Passion Eggplant, which looks like a regular eggplant, but with a vibrant, deep purple hue. It thrives in warm southern states like Texas and Florida, adding color to many gardens. The Purple Passion Eggplant is popular for its sweet, rich taste and medicinal properties. Next on the list is the Skunk Cabbage, which is notorious for its foul smell. It grows in wetland areas across the U.S., especially in the Midwest and Northeast. People often avoid it because of its smell, but some use it in traditional medicine. Then there's the whimsical-looking Chinese lantern plant, which bears bright orange, lantern-shaped pods. Although technically a vegetable, it's often mistaken for a decorative plant due to its striking appearance. It prefers the warm, humid climate of the Gulf Coast and the Southeast. The five-color corn is another oddity, with kernels in vivid shades of purple, red, yellow, blue, and white. It is mainly cultivated in the Southwest, where ancient indigenous crops still thrive today. This colorful corn is not just beautiful, but also nutritious, containing a variety of antioxidants. Moving on, the ground cherry is a tiny, sweet fruit encased in a papery husk, like a miniature lantern. It grows abundantly in California and parts of the Midwest. Many farmers consider the ground cherry a treasure because of its unique sweetness and versatility. The glass gem corn, with its gem-like iridescent kernels, is as stunning as a piece of jewelry. It was developed from ancient corn varieties by selective breeding and is mainly grown in Oklahoma. This vegetable, or rather corn variety, is a favorite among photographers and artists. Another bizarre vegetable is the sea beans, which are succulent, salty-tasting pods that grow along coastlines. They are found mainly in coastal areas of California and the Gulf Coast. Sea beans are considered a delicacy by some and are often used in salads and gourmet dishes. It's fascinating how these plants thrive where most other vegetation struggles. Then there's the wild leek, which is similar to the cultivated garlic but with a stronger aroma. It grows prolifically in the forests of the northeastern U.S. during springtime. Locals often dig up these wild leeks for flavoring their soups and stews. Lastly, let's talk about the Hmong spinach, also known as pak phak. This dark, leafy vegetable grows mainly in Asian markets across the U.S., especially in California. It's highly nutritious and used extensively in Asian cuisines for stir-fries and soups. These 10 vegetables show just how diverse and fascinating American agriculture can be. They remind us that nature keeps surprising us with its weird, wonderful creations. From crunchy roots to colorful kernels, each of these vegetables has a unique story to tell. Many of them have deep roots in indigenous and immigrant cultures, enriching America's food landscape. Exploring these strange vegetables can inspire gardeners and chefs alike to try something new. They also highlight the importance of preserving biodiversity and traditional farming techniques. So next time you visit a farmer's market or your local grocery store, keep an eye out for these unusual treasures. You might discover a new favorite vegetable or learn about a fascinating piece of history. Remember, sometimes the most bizarre-looking vegetables are the most delicious.